Troystarz. So, yes, earlier I mentioned I'm gonna fix the brace on the muffler stock around there, you know what I mean? But I did buy an outlet. What is this called again? Hold on, because I have everything written down, what I wanted, what I need for the truck, right? It's called the outlet clamp on SCR, the outlet clamp on the SCR brake, and this is it, right? Now, along with it come with a gasket, right? The SCR clamp, the outlet part, that would be the one coming from the SCR coming on the outside, and the SCR outlet would be the stock pipe, the muffler pipe coming from under where the SCR is connected, come all the way up to the top, right? Now, I didn't know where the outlet stock I didn't know where this was, where this should go. I didn't know, to be honest. I didn't know, but I asked a couple of questions and I find out where the outlet clamp is. That being said, I was making the attempt to start pulling the stock shield around there to put the new one on. Then I saw where this should go, and I'm gonna show you guys where this part should bolt, or where this should go, right? So I didn't know where it should go, right? But I saw it when I was about to start the work. Now I'm gonna go around there. I'm gonna show you guys where this belongs, and we're gonna fix this along with the brace. So let's go. For outside is kind of dark, well, because it's now 4 o'clock. Well, yeah, it's 5 o'clock, but the sky is kind of like it's gonna snow or rain or something. So we're gonna go out there and use the time that we have, because tomorrow I'll be leaving here, you know what I mean? So I just want to get this done. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Let's go. Thanks. Okay guys, so I removed the side panel because I want to show you guys the SCR, right? And I'm going to show you what they call the outlet, right? Because I don't know if you guys know, but I'm just going to show you. So the SCR is this. The SCR is this this square looking thing, right? The outlet is start from here. Where the outlet starts, the outlet is this. The outlet is this pipe here coming on the outside. As you can see under the truck, it go all the way to the back, right? Coming from right here, the outlet, and it comes out from here, go all the way up. Okay, peeps. So I clean away the area around the SCR outlet. I think that is the inlet, right? They told me it was an outlet, but I think it's the inlet. I'm not sure. But I clean around the area because earlier I couldn't get beyond, remove the old seal, the old gasket that was there. It was baked on, so I had to clean it off. I used my knife because basically I think this should have been take away the heat shield, which would be this. Take away with the heat shield, and then I would get a better clearer access to this SCR. So I did my best. I clean it. I went under the truck and I clean it all off. So I'm just gonna put on the seal now, and then let you guys show you guys what's up.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.